Welcome everyone to my new video presentation on Bitcoin Cash cryptocurrency for July 2024 prediction and technical analysis. Looking for this one, which is still alive even though it has quite many years of activity. There are strong community members around it, which is pretty much allowing for the price action to be quite floating around a $300 level. We were also quite high in the past couple of months. And it's very interesting how does the price action retraced in a very aggressive manner, yet the outcome is not worse than the other altcoins out there, so it's pretty much just following the momentum of the space. And I'd like to talk to you about what you can expect for the July and for the summer we're dealing with at the moment, and then just pretty much enjoy the video, guys. Like this one, subscribe, and do not forget about our last episodes and playlist with live day trades on cryptos. We do have videos about it on my channel. You can find out more. It is live trading where I open up the trades and close the trades in front of you, explaining and talking about it. So it's a whole new experience out there that you guys will enjoy. Do not forget about the one-on-one coaching and the done-for-you trading. You can actually be part of my trades without any prior fees. Just a commission from the pure profits we make. I'll talk about those things at the end of the video. Now it's time for the daily Bitcoin Cash discussion, and the first thing you must see is the blue arrow which is pointing to another low. That low is pretty much forming a lower low on this structure as well, which was the clear sign at that very moment we are printing a massive bullish signal with that engulfing pattern. Plus you had your 50 days moving average respected, which is something at the moment we no longer have any kind of correlation with. All the moving averages lines are sitting above us, and this is a clear, heavily oversold area. But the question here is that whether you're going to range or have the ability to buy things back in the markets, quickly react and push the price action above those moving averages. The first moving average you got to stay above will be the 200 days that you have lost, unfortunately. And it's not just about losing it, you have actually rejected your 200 days moving average for about 2 weeks non-stop. Between 18th of June and 2nd of July till the markets dumped and created a new low, you have been rejecting, as you can see, your 200 days moving average big time. That is definitely not a bullish pattern. Whatever happens and whatever you guys might think about, that is definitely not a good idea out there. So you have to reclaim that, and with reclaiming 200 days will be also necessary to break out of this very strong resistance trending line. Get out of this, reclaim, just like we were reclaiming at the time. We're basically preparing to, simply break above, right? We're reclaiming our 200 days moving average for a very long period of time. Take a look at how Bitcoin Cash has been sitting above it. That's exactly what you need to achieve a gain from this cryptocurrency in order to expect what we had as a result of a such pattern printing around. The price action so far has retraced a significant 52%. It is one of the, serious altcoin retracements and decreases in the price action, which for some of them has not been expected at all, and of course it is not a good idea. But if you want to be bearish, it's not hard from these levels, yet it might not be the most smart idea. What about a bullishness? Well, to be bullish at these levels is much better than to be bearish considering the price action and the technicals, but the idea is to be careful even with the bullishness, due to the fact that you cannot expect a full bullish season unless you clear the tops we have in that rectangle. So there is a not triple. The triple formula, I mean, we could consider the first one as a group, and then you have the triple formula, triple top structure, massively bearish representation you have over there, which means that whatever between 480s up to 530s, between that price action, whatever movement you get, you need to clear that angle higher, retrace back to it at least double, confirm your support, and then you can talk about how massively bullish we could be from there. The thing is, what about until that level? Because that is something that we could monetize as well. Indeed. Well, the current situation is having a divergence on the daily. Look at that. on the CRSI pattern is having a divergence, which is a possibility for a market reversal from here on Bitcoin Cash. This is what it is, guys. That's the reality. This is what we have been receiving. This is what we got. So we got to speak it out. There is a possibility of a strong market reversal from here. The thing is, we don't know at the moment how strong this is going to be. And if we don't get to see a range here for the summer, a range to be built around $300, whether you want to go right now and grab the liquidity above $400 on 440s, 450, but then come back into the 330s, 340s, 350s within the next period of time. That sits on the table very, very well, and it's impossible to say right now because we have been losing the prior level. Here we go. It's impossible to assume right now that you're just gonna break out and go wild due to the fact that we have lost our 350s. 350 loss was basically a major demand zone created between that structure low. So you've lost basically this specific structure. And that's not bullish. It's not bullish. If you go back into that one, like this, you gotta be careful of powerful retracements. You gotta be careful with that. Enjoy, guys. That's pretty much all about it. Once again, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and you have the one-on-one coaching possibility for those of you that are serious about the space of crypto and would like to trade correctly. Intensively one-on-one with me between 4 to 6 weeks, live on Zoom. I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. Find out more, register for a free call, and enjoy yourselves, including the ability to participate in my trades. You can definitely do that without any prior fees, just a commission from the pure profits made, totally done for you and outsourced. Enjoy, guys. Reach out for more details or the links in the description area and comments area. We'll talk to you soon.